Imagine standing in the middle of a vast forest, surrounded by towering trees. The peaceful scene changes when modern machinery steps in, bringing a completely new approach to logging: swift, efficient, and powerful. Here, workers and the industry's most giant machines operate with incredible speed, altering any outdated perceptions of logging work. Gigantic machines take on the logging process with high precision, while workers put all their strength into felling a tree. Modern technology turns it into a spectacular scene. The stump cutter, an indispensable tool, can clear an area filled with tree stumps in just a few minutes. Machines like the MIRR, with its 115 horsepower engine, not only save costs but also significantly boost productivity. The harvester, a machine specifically designed with advanced wheels, navigates rugged terrain effortlessly. Its wheel system reduces ground pressure, providing a 360-degree view to ensure operator safety. Even in deep snow, thanks to these exceptional features, the harvester is considered the king of logging, especially in Sweden. Today's chainsaws possess impressive power, allowing workers to split logs in a flash. In the southern United States, for instance, pine trees reach full maturity after 25 to 40 years, achieving the necessary diameter for high-value wood products. With modern chainsaws, workers can quickly cut, fell, and debranch trees, ensuring smooth, rapid transport and processing. Machines like John Deere and Pond Scorpion King make logging both fast and precise. These machines not only operate with immense power but also possess high flexibility, allowing them to move smoothly across all terrains. Modern technology enables them to cut and process hundreds of trees daily. Specifically, the woodcracker cutter can handle trees up to 510 mm in diameter, making it ideal for selective pruning, which enhances forest value. Specialized trucks carry logs across narrow mountain paths with stability and a wide field of view. Vehicles like the Scania R540 aren't just transporters, but also technological marvels designed to endure harsh challenges. High-speed debarking machines strip the outer bark with up to 98% efficiency due to their sharp saw blades. This process accelerates production and conserves resources, supplying materials for bioenergy production. Machines like the Jens Hem chipper, which turn wood into chips, are also powerhouses, providing material for renewable energy production. While technology transforms logging, it also ushers in a new era for agriculture. Modern fields use drones for monitoring and pesticide spraying, minimizing environmental impact and maximizing production efficiency. Hydroponic systems, which allow precise control of the environment, protect crops from harsh weather conditions. Plants grow in optimal conditions, using 70 to 80% less water than traditional methods. Greenhouse technology enables farmers to grow different crops under varying weather conditions. Combined with centralized irrigation systems, farmers can water fields precisely and efficiently. These systems can be customized according to the shape and terrain of the field, saving 25 to 50% more water than traditional irrigation. Robots today come equipped with camera systems and eye, allowing them to identify ripe strawberries accurately. With flexible arms, they can pick fruit non-stop, revolutionizing harvesting. Robots not only save labor but also pave the way for automated farming. Technological advancements have completely transformed how we harvest and manage natural resources. From using powerful machines in logging to applying advanced technology in agriculture, we now achieve remarkable results while minimizing environmental impact. Thanks to technology, a more sustainable and efficient future awaits.